When you're looking to protect your investment, there's no reason to cut corners. Yacht Armor is the ultimate solution to protect a variety of areas on your boat. Modern day coatings and sealants, they're just not lasting. You're not getting longer than 18 months out of that. Yacht Armor is the first of its kind, a marine protection film specifically designed to handle the harshest of elements. Ceramic coatings are super small on a molecular level. You're not able to see them at all. Yacht Armor is also invisible, but you're actually putting a physical barrier there where you've got a 7 mil to 13 mil piece of film protecting your gel coat from the outside environment. It's able to be used in a variety of different locations. Hull sides, outboards, screen protectors, a Viking that's done in a mask. No matter the size of your vessel, large, small, it's gonna be completely custom. We're gonna come out to the boat, whether we do it by hand or we digitize it, it's gonna be catered to you. I grew up in Fort Lauderdale, pretty much lived on the water my entire life. I've done custom outboard painting, I've opened a marine supply store, I've taught people how to ceramic coat boats. And what I've found out in doing all this is that there's something better out there that we can be offering. Being the first marine protection film in the market, we knew it was extremely important to do extensive testing. So we've had boats from 12 to 18 months out in the field already, and the customers are extremely pleased with what they're seeing. So we have a network of certified installers that are able to come out and service you, whether you're in a marina, a boat yard, really anywhere. These installers are going to be able to provide Yacht Armor wherever you are. We take brand integrity seriously. We want to make sure every consumer has the best experience possible. If you're looking for the next generation of marine protection, check out our website. There's an Installer Locator at the top. We look forward to hearing from you.